short.
There's more.
There you go.
I know.
There you go. Well, not that short, cuz.
Okay, go.
Not that short because you still have the hill. So, there you go.
Gonna light them.
It doesn't matter.
We're gonna take pictures.
There you go. There you go.
All right, guys.
All the way
Now,
down.
Hill's here.
Hill all the way down. No, right in front of it. All the way down. No. Man, let me do this. My own goddamn cake. I gotta engineer it. Oh, that's A. That's the I. There you go, cuz. There you go.
All right, now wait. Before you light them, cuz here, just hold it in front of you. And let me hold it right there. And
No, it'll look better if you light it.
No,
though.
I know, but I gotta. Hey, the light won't show up.
Does it look all right?
It looks great. Hang on, I'll show it to you. You can smile. All right.
Wait.
See the whole thing. You can see the whole thing.
Can you? I'll hold it like this. Put it on top of your head. You don't need a flashlight.
Yeah, we get that bright light on.
Okay, wait. Let me get one with my camera.
Okay, that light. Hey, Nikki, go get your family.
No. Yeah, go get them. Oh, come on.